Hello, humanity. This is Melinda Stallings, the positive consultant, soon to be trademarked the positive consultant. I'm coming with you today to talk about the experience that I've had thus far with the Trademark Factory. I met Andre through a mutual friend at a conference, Craig Duswald, and instantly Andre's energy attracted me to him. His intelligence, his passion for his craft. And I had noodled in the back of my brain a trademark and thought, well, this is a perfect opportunity for me to explore that. So I went out and talked to Andre at his table and met his equally delightful and intelligent daughter. But Andre was really great in terms of systematically walking me through cursory, of course, what the process would be like. So that gave me enough to really go back and think about. So by the end of the conference, I signed up for Andre's services because I was that confident. Every time I go back and ask a question, I'd get this great satisfactory answer. And so I felt committed and confident enough to put my name on the dotted line. And man, am I ever glad I did. The original trademark that I wanted to trademark was not trademarkable. And I worked with one of Andre's associates. Her name is Amanda Chepley. Big shout out to Amanda. She was phenomenal, just really amazing. I had so many questions because I'm kind of geeky and I have all of these questions all the time, and something will pop in my mind and I'll have to go back and ask another question. She never got flustered. She always had an answer, which really amazed me because, you know, I would throw a lot of things out there and she was always, it was like she had this vast database that she could just tap into. And it wasn't anything canned that she responded with. Very relational. I loved the relationship I had with her. We would laugh. She would let me just probe, and she would give me analogies when I didn't quite understand something, which I think is really important because I don't know anything about trademarks. Obviously, I know I want one, but I don't know how to go about that. And sure, I could go and do it on my own, but that's not my wheelhouse. And I think let's let the people who are the pros at what they do be the pros at what they do, and we'll be the pros at what we do. And my goodness gracious alive, are they pros? I can't say enough. I just can't say enough. They made the process seamless. There were times when I would fall off the face of the earth. I'd get these gentle nudge emails. And that was really helpful for me because as a business owner, there's a lot of moving parts. So those were always amazing too. We finally decided upon the positive consultant after numerous iterations. Positivity is my game, and I love bringing the positive to the world. So I knew that it had to be part of my trademark. I haven't received even the first information from the trademark services yet from the government or from the other entity. I get stuff from the Trademark Factory all the time, but I just want to say that if this is the beginning of a relationship, and this is how it works, this is how I wish every business relationship to be. I trust them, I respect them, I feel like I'm more than just a client, like there's a real emotional connection there, and I really appreciate that as a person. That's my personality type, and I really love that. So Andre and Amanda and everyone at the Trademark Factory who is working behind the scenes that I don't know, I know that you all are as equally professional as the faces of the company that I'm getting to see. Thank you so much for making this process seamless, positive, and I can't wait to see the outcome. Thanks so much. God bless you.